Right then, are you looking for a Defender 90? What about this? Just arrived, 2474, but the 25 model year of this vehicle in Pangea green. This is a really rare car. It's got to sell quickly just due to its unique exterior look and its HSE specification. This is a D250 X-Dynamic HSE in Pangea green with the Expedition roof rack, and if you come round, you'll see that it's got the carry box on the side, so it looks really good, but it's only done 3,800 miles, and it is in a, honestly, like new condition. This is beautiful. Somebody out there will be looking for the X-Dynamic, giving you the black roof, the painted black side angle, front and rear bits, all in that glossy black colour, badges midsection. How good does it look? The fact that it's the 90, we don't get many of these cars. It's the HSE, so we've got so many external and internal features. This is a real seller for us. Now then, 3,800 miles, 250 brake horsepower, 3-litre diesel, 20-inch wheels with the side steps. And look at that, it's got the roof rails, but it's also got the Expedition roof rack. You can put something on there, but it just looks cool, doesn't it? On the inside, we've got the HSE specs. So we've got Napa leather. We've even got upgraded Meridian surround sound. Doesn't come in all of these, with ambient lighting, switchable, electric seats, memory seats. We've then got heated and ventilated seats, adaptive cruise heated wheel, 11.4-inch touchscreen. Now, this is the newer release for the car. When I said 25 model year, they've brought out a redesigned interior where you get the 11.4-inch touchscreen as standard. You get black door cards, you get a different speaker, and you get wireless phone charging as standard in a different format, which I'll show you inside. Spare wheel cover, a spare wheel fifth in that design, and 20-inch. Black bottom section. You've got this little storage box as well, which is an optional extra, which can come out if you don't want it. Parcel shelf in place. Fantastic vehicle for sure. Now the colour is called Pangea green. It's sort of like the classic colour for this car, but when you've got this bit and this bit on the side, it looks a little bit different, and again, very unique in its combination of colours. Ambient lighting, which you can switch, like I've mentioned, the upgraded Meridian surround sound stereo, but because it's the HSE, you've got all full electric seats and the Napa leather seats for driver and passenger and in the rear, but the front ones are heated and ventilated. Again, HSE, you're getting yourself Napa leather top dash and mid dash steering wheel and centre steering wheel, which is heated, switchable dashboard, adaptive cruise and lane assist. And then this is the 25 model year, so you've got a slightly redesigned centre cockpit, which you've got this little hideaway cubby hole. You've then got the wireless phone charger, which is just here. Twin cup holders, climate control, heated front and rear screens, bigger screen, and you've got the 360 camera system, which gives you the 3D surround camera as well, plus your wireless smartphone integration. It's an amazing car to use for its technology. Sliding roof as the HSE as well, but obviously you've got the roof rack on there, so, you know, I mean, it's just, for me, a real quick seller. If you are interested, my name's Richard, my number's on the screen. We sell vehicles fast because we buy the right ones, we buy the best ones, we price them properly, just like this. It's going on the website now. If you're interested, then give me a call on my number. Thanks for watching.